Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely. It's like when you see a blue moon in the sky. It doesn't happen every month, only once in a while. For example, if you have a friend who never wants to go to the movies with you, but one day they finally agree, you could say, "Wow, that's a once in a blue moon occurrence." People use this idiom to talk about things that are unusual or unexpected. It's a fun way to describe something that doesn't happen often. The origin of the idiom comes from the fact that blue moons are rare events. A blue moon is when there are 2 full moons in one month, which doesn't happen very often. So people started saying once in a blue moon to describe things that are just as rare. Next time something unusual happens, like your cat actually coming when you call it, you can use the idiom once in a blue moon to describe it. It's a fun way to talk about those special moments that don't come around very often.